to add receipt to target app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add receipt to target app. So first of all, just simply open your target application, and after that, if you don't have the application, just simply go ahead and download the application in your mobile device. And after that, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your target account, just simply click on the account section from the top right corner, from the bottom right corner, and under the my account section you will be able to see all these different options. So in order to add receipt to your target app, all you have to do is just simply click on the payment method options section, and over here just simply click on the QR code section and go ahead and scan the QR code of the receipt that you would want to add into your target app. You can also go ahead and mention the receipt number so that you can add the receipt quite successfully. And once you have entered the receipt number or you have scanned the QR code, and after that just simply enter your password and just add the receipt right there. So this is basically how you will be able to add receipt to target app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.